Tomorrow morning might look ordinary until it isn't. You stand up and your knee argues. Your back hesitates. That tiny wince you pretend not to notice hangs around longer than it should. Little warnings like this don't shout. They whisper. Ignore them long enough, and they start deciding your day for you. If you're over 60, those whispers usually mean one thing. Your body is asking for materials. Your joints, muscles, nerves, and energy systems need building blocks. When the supply is low, you feel it as stiffness, soreness, slower balance, and a shorter energy fuse. The good news is simple. You don't need a complicated overhaul. You already have a built-in daily habit. Your morning coffee. Turn it into delivery for the exact raw materials your body can use. Same ritual. Smarter cup. We'll use 5 powders many seniors like: collagen peptides, a mushroom blend, lion's mane, cordyceps, reishi, turmeric plus black pepper plus a little fat, Ceylon cinnamon, and maca. None are magic, but together and layered in slowly, they can support easier mornings, steadier energy, and more confident movement. Before we dive in, please subscribe so you don't miss daily senior health tips, simple, safe, and practical. It also helps more seniors discover real guidance instead of hype. Tell us your age and country in the comments. We honestly try to reply. This is wellness education, not medical advice. If you take blood thinners, manage blood sugar, or have gallbladder, liver, or kidney issues, talk with your clinician before adding new powders. If a product upsets your stomach or anything feels off, pause and reassess. Why coffee add-ins help. Think of your body like a house you've lived in for decades. Things still work, but hinges squeak, paint chips, stairs feel steeper. You don't condemn the house, you maintain it. Joints, tendons, and energy systems are the same. Give them what they're missing, and daily tasks get easier. Your cartilage and tendons love protein building blocks, especially collagen's amino acids. Your cells love steady fuel and mitochondrial support. Your joints appreciate a calmer inflammatory environment. Your nerves and brain thrive when communication is smooth. Coffee is just your delivery truck. It arrives every morning, loaded with the right boxes, and it shows up with help for your body, without adding a new chore to your day. Collagen peptides, foundation for joints and tendons. Collagen is like joint glue. It's a structural protein used in cartilage, ligaments, tendons, skin, even bone. As we age, natural production drops. Many people notice that after 2 to 4 weeks of daily collagen, they stand up with less bracing and mornings feel less creaky. Add 10 to 15 grams, about 1 to 2 scoops of hydrolyzed collagen peptides to hot coffee so it dissolves. Add a splash of vitamin C, even a squeeze of lemon, because your body uses vitamin C to build collagen structures. Collagen is nearly tasteless and blends easily in hot drinks. Drink extra water. Hydration keeps joints happier. If you need to limit protein for medical reasons, talk to your clinician first. Otherwise, consistency wins. Daily use beats occasional bursts. Mushroom blend, lion's mane, cordyceps, reishi for steady energy and coordination. Lion's mane supports clear thinking and brain-to-muscle coordination. Cordyceps supports cellular energy, more gas in the tank without jitters. Reishi helps maintain a calm, balanced immune response when everyday inflammation makes movement feel heavier. Choose a blend that lists fruiting body extracts, not just mycelium on grain. Start with 1 teaspoon in coffee. If you feel good, move to 2 teaspoons. Sensitive stomach? Take it 30 minutes before breakfast or with a small snack. Turmeric, black pepper, a little fat, joint comfort combo. Turmeric's active compounds need help to absorb. Pepper, piperine, and fat are the key that unlocks turmeric's benefits. Without them, you leave most of it on the table. Stir 1 teaspoon turmeric, plus a pinch, about 1/8 teaspoon, black pepper, plus 1 teaspoon MCT or coconut oil into hot coffee. Warmth helps it blend. Give it 2 to 4 weeks of daily use and watch your morning stiffness score, 1 to 10. And your sit to stand time from a chair. Ceylon cinnamon, steadier mornings via steadier blood sugar. Many seniors prefer Ceylon cinnamon, not common cassia, to help keep morning blood sugar swings gentler. Gentler swings often feel like less puffiness, more stable energy, and a calmer start. Add 1 teaspoon to your coffee grounds before brewing or stir into a hot cup. Always look for Ceylon on the label. If you manage blood sugar or have liver issues, check with your clinician. Maca isn't a caffeine spike, it's a steady lift. Many people say errands, chores, or a long morning on your feet feel easier without the wired and tired crash. Pick gelatinized maca, easier to digest. Start with 1 teaspoon and work up to 1 tablespoon only if you like how you feel. Use it 5 days on, 2 days off, so your body doesn't adapt and stall. The fastest way to quit is to start with everything on day 1. Don't do that. Add 1 new powder every 1 to 2 weeks so you can feel what each one does for you. Month 1, Collagen Daily, Foundation. Month 2, Keep Collagen, add mushroom blend, endurance and focus. Month 3, add turmeric plus pepper plus fat, joint comfort. Month 4, add Ceylon cinnamon, steadier mornings. Maca anytime for smooth energy, 5-2 rhythm. If this helps, please subscribe so more seniors can find it. Collagen is the structural base. Mushrooms support the electrical system of energy and coordination. The turmeric combo helps calm everyday joint discomfort. Cinnamon smooths the morning ride. Maca is your flexible booster for gentle lift. Stir with a small whisk or blend for 10 seconds. If turmeric oil floats, a quick blend fixes it. If your stomach complains, shift mushrooms or turmeric to with breakfast. Small tweaks keep you consistent. Your joints and tendons are like sponges. They move better with water. Add 1 to 2 extra glasses across the day. It sounds basic because it is, and it works. Rate morning stiffness, 1 to 10. Time your sit to stand from a chair. No hands. Note comfortable walk minutes before you need a break. Track when your energy dip happens. Does the crash shift later? See progress. Stay motivated. When numbers budge even a little, you'll stay consistent because you can see progress, not just hope for it. Buying cassia instead of Ceylon? Read the label. Using raw maca and your stomach protests? Choose gelatinized. Skipping pepper fat with turmeric? Add both. They're the key. Adding 5 powders on day 1? Slow down and layer. Ignoring water and sleep? Add a glass to breakfast and lunch. Protect your bedtime. If you take blood thinners, manage blood sugar, or have gallbladder, liver, or kidney issues, talk to your clinician before starting or changing doses. Red flags: pause and get help. New hot or swollen joints, unusual bruising, bleeding, severe stomach pain, yellowing skin or eyes, chest pain, sudden shortness of breath. Daily collagen 10 to 15 grams in hot coffee plus a little vitamin C. Week 2, mushrooms 1 to 2 teaspoons. Week 3, turmeric 1 teaspoon plus pepper 1/8 teaspoon plus MCT coconut 1 teaspoon. Week 4, Ceylon cinnamon 1/2 to 1 teaspoon. Anytime, Maca 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. 5 on, 2 off. Drink more water. Track your 4 metrics weekly. If you only do one thing, start with collagen. Then add the turmeric combo, then mushrooms, then cinnamon with maca as your gentle booster. Subscribe. Tell us your age and country, and share which add-in you'll start your next easier morning can begin with your next cup.